Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marie and most of you are used to seeing me do a Color Street mani. However, today I am doing an unboxing of Madam Glam New York. They actually contacted me and reached out asking if I would like to do a collab with them for no charge, and they sent this to me as a gift. So I have not opened anything. I've had this for a couple days, just waiting for the right time. So Madam Glam New York is gel polish, and so I'm going to open this up. I just did my Color Street mani. I have not posted that video yet because I wanted to do this. Oh, so this is the little UV LED lamp. It's very tiny, and they send you a, let me move this out a little, I apologize. Oh, my goodness, sorry about that. My umbrella light just fell down on me. Okay, so they send you a little LED light. I'm sure that this is supposed to come out. I would think this way. Oh, and it's not charged yet. I can't get this opened. Like I said, I hadn't opened this yet, so I'm not even sure exactly how. I guess I could look at the instructions to see what it says. If it says how to, yeah, that would be for those to come out. Well, I may have to figure out how to edit and figure this out off camera and then come back on. So that's the LED light. I did start this opening because I didn't want to use my nails. And this should be the gel polish, so it comes like this. Madam Glam New York, everything you love at your fingertip. Hello glamorous, you are on board for amazing VIP manicures. Then it has the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and their website, Handle with Care. It's vegan, cruelty friendly, palm oil free, 21 free formula, and henna free. And that is part of why I agreed to do this, and don't know that I'm going to be putting it on my actual nails. Here's the application. Oh, this came off. So these are the colors that I chose. It's Soak Off Cat Eye Gel Polish. This is called Fruit Punch, and this is pretty cool. At the top of the bottle it tells you, or shows you what color it is, and it is the true color. So there's that one. Then Madam Glam Soak Off Gel Polish. So this one said Soak Off Cat Eye because it's got like the swirl in it. I thought I misread it at first. Soak Off Gel Polish. This one is Pop the Champagne. Oh, and the little thing popped off. Purple. I thought this was a very pretty purple. I love purple. And then yellow. Soak Off Gel Polish, Madam Glam. And this is called Sun Days. Sun-Days. A beautiful yellow. And then you also get Soak Off Base Coat and Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat. No Wipe Top Coat. So those are what I got in this complimentary box. They're full sets of polish, the base coat and the top coat. So once I get the LED light going, I will come back on and do some swatches of this. I'll be right back. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Marie. Today I'm doing a little bit different video and semi-application. I'm not doing the application on my own nails. I am using these because I have to use this light, and this is a soak off gel polish, which I just am not ready to try something like that. My nail health has been so great, but I did promise Madam Glam New York that I would do a video as they reached out to me. So I will be doing that, but I just want to go over this. Welcome to our influencer community. It's our pleasure to have you join the nail team. We believe that when talent meets amazing products, magic happens. So it's vegan, 21 free formula, cruelty free, palm oil free. So this comes in, it gives you the application steps, prep your nail with the gel polish, apply top coat and cure. Oh, prep your nails for the gel polish. Apply the top coat and cure. Apply base coat and cure to remove the tacky inhibition layer left at the end. Wipe the nails with a lint-free wipe and alcohol. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of gel color and cure after each use. We guarantee up to 4 weeks of perfect shine and wear. So if anyone is wanting to try this, excuse me, you can use the code MarieMarie30 to get 30% off your order. Looks like they have a shop as a VIP, royal treatment, $29 per month that becomes store credits. Gels 50% off, always including new arrivals, new collections, and many more. Private sales, enjoy access to exclusive offers, free shipping and return in the USA all the time. And this is just information about the UV LED lamp. So I'm not big on that. So that's why I'm going to use these, and I'm gonna try to do all three at once at different times. I did go over these. This is a yellow, obviously, and they have the color at the top, which is pretty cool. This purple and this pink. Fruit punch. Pop the champagne. Sundays. I think this yellow is probably going to be really pretty. I wish this was something that I would love to wear, but in the past when I've worn gel, like I've gone to a salon and put gel on, it ate my nails. And so I'm just not big on wanting to do that. But since they reached out to me, I agreed, and nowhere in there did it say I have to apply it to my real nails. I could have put some press-on nails on, but I'm just so afraid. My nails are doing so amazing. I've mentioned it in my other videos. I've never had my natural nails this long before. Okay, so I did the base coat, and then we're gonna stick it in here. This has a 45-second light and a 60-second light. It does come with, the light comes with the kit. You do have to always have it plugged in where you're going to use it, so it's not like convenient. You could just take it with you. I guess you could use a plug-in, a USB plug charger for your car if you wanted to do something like that. Okay, so the light is off. Let me close that up. So I'm going to use this pop the champagne first. It doesn't say that we have to shake it. And since, oh, this is so thick. Since we, I forgot what I was gonna say. Nice one. Oh, since it doesn't cure unless it's in the light, I don't have to like hurry up and get them all done so that I can, you know, so they're not drying, because they don't dry, they cure. This is the Sundays. It's like my little, okay. And I did read it said to do 1 to 2 layers. This is super thick. I am so used to Color Street now. Just to let you know, this is not quite as convenient at all as Color Street. Oh, this is what I'm afraid of. Anyway, I am still a Color Street. We're going to put this under here for 30 or 45 seconds. I am still a Color Street addict, hoarder of Color Street. Okay, so there's that first coat. Here is the second coat of each one going on. This is really pretty, this purple. So you gotta really make sure it's pretty thick. When you put it on, or I don't know if it's just this or what. Oops. And the Sundays. I mean, if you're someone who doesn't do Color Street and you'd like to do your own nails, this just might be something perfect for you. They are really pretty. Well, all 3 of them are just gorgeous. They've got a lot of colors to choose from. Like, I got to choose these colors. Oh, fuzz. Okay, put that over there. Cure these one more time with the polishes. So we're all done with that part. Next is, whoops, let's close this one up. Next is the no wipe top coat. And the final step, it does say that you can wipe it off with a lint-free cloth and alcohol pad or alcohol. So when I get done with this, I will check and see if it's sticky or anything like that. I have a feeling it won't be. This is a really pretty one right here. Those other 2 are too. This one is so soft. Okay. So we'll put these in for 45 seconds. Okay, here we go. Oh, that came off the side, I think. No fingerprints. It almost feels sticky. Let me just do this one more time. And then I'll use the alcohol pad to wipe it. So if you're new to my channel, this is not my normal video. I almost strictly do, well, up until now, I strictly do Color Street. But like I said, they reached out to me to ask if I would do a video of Madam Glam New York. So I did agree to that. They send everything to me free. I did not pay for anything, not even shipping, nothing. So if you want to try this out, if maybe Color Street doesn't work for you, there's people that have oily nails, nail beds, and then the strips don't stay on. It doesn't really feel too sticky, but I'm just going to use, look at that, I'm using one of the ethanol, which I don't use for my nails, but I thought I would use that for this. Melissa, I hope you're watching so you can see that I'm using this for wiping this off. I know I'm touching it, but it's not around my cuticles. Okay, so there we go. And let's see again, we've got Pop the Champagne. Not sticky, no fingerprints going on. And this is Sun Days, the yellow. Very pretty yellow here. If you can see that. And let me do the Pop the Champagne again. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate it. I'm really trying to get to 200. And this one is the Fruit Punch. It's kind of a pinkish, super pretty pinkish color. And that is it. If you would like to use this, it will be down in the description, the link, and also you would use code MarieMarie30 for 30% off. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon with a new mani. I'm going to take this off tonight and apply a mixed mani, something I've never done before, this design that I'm going to do. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.